Building bridges in English, mastering connecting phrases. Hello there, language explorers. Today, we're diving into a crucial aspect of English conversation, connecting phrases. These phrases, such as well, in addition, and similarly, are vital for creating smooth conversations and writing. Let's unpack these powerful linguistic tools and help you become a better English speaker and writer. Connecting phrases are words or group of words used to link thoughts, ideas, or sentences. They provide cohesion and help your listener or reader follow along with your train of thought. These phrases are fundamental in both casual conversations and formal writing. Examples include as well, in addition, and similarly, among others. For instance, if we have two sentences, John enjoys painting, and John loves to play guitar, we can connect them using as well. John enjoys painting. As well, he loves to play guitar. As well is a versatile connecting phrase used to indicate that something is also true or applicable. It's a great way to add additional related information without starting a new sentence. Here's an example. I love reading novels, as well I enjoy biographies. In addition, is another powerful connector, often used in more formal contexts to introduce additional information or arguments. For example, I regularly practice yoga for physical health. In addition, it helps me maintain mental well-being. The word similarly is used when you want to show that something is like something else, especially when you want to make a comparison to support an argument or point. Example: apples are packed with nutrients. Similarly, oranges are highly nutritious. The best way to master connecting phrases is to practice them. Try writing sentences or having conversations where you connect ideas using as well, in addition, and similarly. And there we have it. We hope this exploration of connecting phrases, as well, in addition, and similarly, has enlightened you and will aid you in your English language journey. Remember, practice makes perfect, so use these phrases as often as you can. Thank you for joining us, and keep exploring English.